Exclamatory sentences add excitement and emotion to our speech, and when we convert them from direct to indirect speech, there are some important rules to follow. Let's dive into those rules and see how they apply. First, when we change direct speech to indirect speech, certain exclamatory words like hurrah, alas, bravo, what, how, and sorry are removed. For instance, if someone says, hurrah, we have won the match, we would report it as, we exclaimed with joy that we had won the match. Notice how the exclamatory word hurrah is gone, but the excitement remains in the reporting. Now, let's focus on sentences that include what and how. In these cases, we replace them with very or great. For example, if the boy says, how beautiful this picture is, we would report it as, the boy exclaimed with delight that the picture was very beautiful. The essence of the exclamation is preserved, but the structure changes. Next, let's discuss the pronouns used in reported speech. If the reporting subject is in the first person, we use I or we. For example, if I say, we said, hurrah, we have won the match, it becomes, we exclaimed with joy that we had won the match. When we shift to the third person, we use he, she, or they. For instance, if the boys say, hurrah, we have won the match, it transforms into, the boys exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. For the second person, you, remains unchanged in the reporting. If the teacher says, bravo, you have done well, girls, we report it as, the teacher applauded the girls saying that they had done well. Let's look at some more examples to clarify these rules. If her son says, alas, I have wasted 1 year, mother, we would report it as, her son exclaimed to his mother with sorrow that he had wasted 1 year. When someone expresses surprise, like in the case of, oh, it was you, we would say, he exclaimed with surprise that it was me. And if she says, pooh, what a clumsy fellow he is, we would report it as, she exclaimed that he was a clumsy fellow. These transformations help us convey the same emotions and meanings while adhering to grammatical rules. Understanding these rules not only enhances our writing, but also improves our communication skills. So, the next time you encounter an exclamatory sentence, remember these guidelines for converting it into indirect speech. It's all about keeping the excitement alive while ensuring clarity and correctness in our language.